Hey crafters, it's Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails. I share videos all about screen printing, and today I'm going to combine that with my love for baking. Today I'm going to show you a really easy way to decorate your basic sugar cookies that's going to wow your friends and family. This is the IKONART Stencil kit, and I'm going to use it to create my own custom stencils for decorating on cookies. I've used this kit in previous videos for screen printing shirts and on unusual surfaces like pumpkins or on wood. Today we're going to use this kit to make food-safe stencils that you can use on cookies or other baked goods. This is a little different from my usual process of screen printing with vinyl. With the IKONART kit, you don't need a Cricut machine. Instead, you're going to print your design in all black ink using your inkjet or laser printer. The great part about this kit is that you can use your own designs and personalization. Since my cookies are small, I was able to fit all of my designs on one 8.5 by 11 sheet. I set up my sheet in Photoshop, but you can use a program like Canva to create your designs. The key is that you want your design to print in all black. Using the light included in the kit, I'm going to place the sheet of IKONART film under the light. Then I'm going to place my printed transparency on top. I cover that with a clear sheet that's included in the kit, and it's ready to expose for 35 seconds. It's best to do this in a dark area since we're working with light-sensitive materials. After exposing your design, you won't be able to see it until you wash out your film. You'll see that the design starts to appear as the water washes out the blue emulsion from the areas where my design was exposed. Now we need to let this dry for about an hour. Once the film is dry, you do a 2-minute post-exposure. This is an important step to help with the durability of your stencil. Now I'm going to prep the screen for my cookies. If I were screen printing on a shirt, wood, or other surface, I would be ready to use this stencil now. But because we're going to use it on food, IKONART offers this food-safe glaze. You add rubbing alcohol to the stencil powder and make the glaze. Now you're going to brush it on your stencil and allow it to dry. The directions are right on the package when you buy this glaze. Then we're going to flip the stencil over and do the same thing on the other side and allow it to dry completely. I've baked my cookies and frosted them with royal icing. I chose this icing because it gets hard and smooth, which is important when you're screen printing on them. Now I'm going to take my stencil and place it on top of the cookie. You want to make sure that your cookie doesn't move around, so I'm using a piece of gripper sheet under the cookie. I'm using a store-bought cookie frosting for my screen printing, but you could make your own frosting for this part too, and gently squeegee over the stencil. This part may take a little practice, so it's a good idea to have extra cookies on hand. You can reuse the stencil for all your cookies. If you mess up, you can always wash this, let it dry, and use it again. And just like that, we have screen printed cookies. You can save 15% on this IKONART kit by using code Pigskins and Pigtails. I hope this process makes your holiday baking more fun.